Hello spider lovers. This is my first video, so I wanted to kind of give you tips on how to fix a loose windshield on a Spyder. And I bought this windshield and it didn't come with any new rubber grommets, and if you can see I don't know if you can see the play in there. Now this one I fixed already, and see, it's no play. And what I did was bought some of these rubber flat washers from Home Depot. Now I had to drill them out a little bit because they wasn't quite the right size, but all you do is unscrew the bolt here, okay. I don't know if they got a pause here. I'm gonna have to learn that. So I'm gonna screw this off. I put some never sees on it, and I'm gonna put this washer down there like so, and we're just gonna screw it back. And you just tighten it real good. I'm sure there's a torque on it, but and that's real tight there. Now I ain't done. I'm gonna do this one right now. And I'll show you. See, that's loose in there, ain't it? So, alright. Now, see, I'm gonna have to, excuse me for the bad camera work. Hope you're not getting sick. Alright, I'm gonna set that there. Whoops. And we're gonna drill it like that. Let's see. I'm holding the washer. You can do it the way you want. Kind of work it slow in there. Now if you can find the correct size, you'd be better off. You wouldn't have to do this. I wasn't sure. I kind of guesstimated what I need. And I just kind of worked up through there. The rubber. See? And I'm gonna go over there. All right. And here's my screw. All right. See, that slips right on there. Tighten it down real good. That's tight. No more play. See? How about that? Alright, I'm gonna make another video. I hope this will help y'all. Bye now.